Hello friends, welcome to GeoEdu-Exploring Geological Knowledge. As the NLC Graduate Training Examination 2020 is going to be held on 24th of November for geology subject. So I have prepared one probable question paper for NLC examination. And let's go to the first slide. There will be some instruction like the examination will be computer based, online examination will be there, and duration will be 2 hour. Question paper consists of two parts. Part 1 will be 40 questions of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, general awareness, data interpretation, general English. It will be 40 questions, and part 2 consists of 80 questions of professional knowledge like subject expert, and each question will be 1 mark. As there will be total 120 questions, and the time will be 2 hours. So every question have 1 minute only to answer. So the question level will not be much harder, and there will be negative marking for wrong questions, and negative will be 1/4 mark, that is 0.25, and no mark will be allotted for unattempted questions, and question paper will be in English language only. Let's go to the first question. Who is given credit for the principle of uniformitarianism? The present is the key to the past. Option A, Alfred Wegener. Option B, Sir James Hutton. Option C, F. Jenkins. And option D, Arthur Holmes. So, as you know, the answer is James Hutton. Hutton gave the principle of uniformitarianism, that is present is key to the past, and Alfred Wegener gives the continental hypothesis theory, and Francis F. Jenkins not a geologist. It is a he's a famous person, maybe in some business, and Arthur Holmes is a famous geologist, that and he gave the idea of means that is radiometric dating of minerals, and also the idea of that mechanical and thermal implication of mental convection, so that because of that only plate tectonic arises. So James Hutton is a great geologist, and he is a British geologist, and so here the answer will be James Hutton. Next question. What is not a source of renewable energy? Option A, thorium. Option B, geothermal heat. Option C, solar energy. Option D, tidal energy. So here the answer will be thorium. Thorium is a radioactive mineral, and these three, that is geothermal heat, solar energy and tidal energy, are renewable energy. Geothermal heat is the heat underneath the earth, like radioactive heat, and solar heat is this energy from sun, and tidal energy, the tide source. Next question. The cosmic ray intensity is minimum at the magnetic. Option A, equator. Option B, north pole. Option C, south pole. And option D, tropic of Cancer. Here the answer will be the cosmic intensity minimum at equator. Here one graph is given, and how the intensity of cosmic ray varies with latitude is given. 0 degree is our equator, and this cosmic ray intensity will be minimum, and from 0 to 45 it is increasing. In 0 to 45 it will increase, and 45 to 90 it will be constant. So the answer will be here equator. Let's go to the next question. The next question is 90 degree east ridge is located in option A, Pacific Ocean. Option B, Atlantic Ocean. Option D, Indian Ocean. And option D is Arabian Ocean. So 90 degree east 90-degree east ridge, as the map is very small, but you can see this is the 90-degree east ridge, and this is the Indian Ocean, and this is Bay of Bengal, this is Indian Ocean. So the answer will be Indian Ocean. And in Pacific Ocean, Mariana Trench is there, and in Atlantic Ocean, Mid Atlantic Ridge is there. So this is the answer. Indian Ocean will be the answer here. Next question: which one of the following match is correct? Option A, Benioff zone, divergent boundary. Option B, Backac basin transform boundary. Option C, Mid-Oceanic ridge divergent boundary. Option D, rift basin convergent boundary. As you know, Benioff zone is associated with convergent plate margin, that is subduction zone. So this is suppose this is a subduction zone. Here the seismicity is indicated by Benioff zone. So Benioff zone is related to convergent plate boundary. So option A is wrong, and option B is back arc basin also related to convergent plate boundary. Here suppose this is the arc, the backside of the arc there will be a basin known as back arc basin. So this will be the wrong answer. Mid-Oceanic ridge related to divergent plate boundary. This is the correct answer, and rift basin is also related to divergent plate boundary. As plate divergence occurs, the middle portion of the plate will go down, forming a rift basin. So here the answer will be Mid-Oceanic ridge divergent plate boundary. Next question: which of the following cycles related to deposition within a sedimentary basin? Option 1 is Milankovic cycle. Option 2 is Wilson cycle. Option 3 is Turner cycle, and option 4 is Gleisberry cycle. So these cycles are Milankovic cycle is related to cyclic climate change. So it is not related to deposition within a sedimentary basin. Wilson cycle is related to opening and closing of ocean basin. So it is also not related to deposition of sedimentary rocks. Turner cycle is the correct answer. Turner cycle related to depositional cycle of sediments within a basin, and Gleisberry cycle is related to is a rock cycle. So here the answer will be Turner cycle. Next question: mark the correct order of stages of cooling and crystallization of magma. Option A, orthomagmatic, pneumatolithic, hydrothermal, and pegmatitic. And these are the options. So as you know, first will be orthomagmatic, it is sure, because orthomagmatic stage will be the first, and then pegmatitic stage will be occur, and then pneumatolithic stage is pneumatolysis is an geologic term that magma emitting gases that alter surrounding rock. So pneumatolysis is occur after pegmatitic stage, and the last stage is hydrothermal stage. So the answer will be option C. Next question: in the climbing ripple lamination, the angle of climb is commonly between option A 1 and 5 degree from horizontal, option B 5 and 10 degrees from horizontal, option C 5 and 20 degrees from the horizontal, and option D 10 and 30 degrees from the horizontal. So here the answer will be option C, that is 5 to 20 degrees from the horizontal. In climbing ripple, the climb occur at 5 to 20 degree from the horizontal. Next question: sagenetic texture is shown by option A rutile, option B ilmenite, option C isolite, and option D microcline. So here the answer will be rutile. As you can see in the picture, this is the sagenetic texture, and as you know, sagenetic texture is a texture that this is a needle-like inclusions of that is intersecting angle at 60 degree, and this is rutile inclusions in biotite. So if here the option option biotite is given, then the biotite also the answer, biotite and rutile. So that is be genetic texture is rutile with rutile inclusions within biotite. Next question. Shadow zone lies between 90 degree to 10 degree, 100 degree to 120 degree, 130 degree to 140 degree, 101 degree to 155 degree. So as you can see here, the shadow zone occur both sides of the earth surface, that is 103 to 142 degree. So option C will be the answer. This is the P wave shadow zone. And for S wave there is also means other shadow zone. Next question. Quadratic diagram is useful to find out option A. Option A, velocity of the seismic waves. Option B, origin time of the earthquake. Option C, the arrival time of the seismic waves. And option D, epicentral distance. Quadratic, that is this is also known as quadratic Benioff zone. Sorry, quadratic Benioff. That is what I have already told that quadratic Benioff zone is related to subduction zone only, and it is related to seismic activity in subduction zone. And there will be a diagram of quadratic given by quadratic, that is known as quadratic plot, which useful in describing in determining the origin time of the earthquake. So answer will be the origin time of the earthquake. Next question. Iron, then oxygen, then silicon, magnesium and aluminum. This is an element distribution is given where iron is have higher content, then oxygen, then silicon, then magnesium, then aluminum. Then this element distribution represents what? Means in which you can see this type of elemental distribution. Option A, crust. Option B, universe. Option C, human body. And option D, bulk earth. As you know, in crust silicon will be more than than iron. So this is the wrong answer. Universe, that hydrogen helium will be more, so this is the wrong answer. And human body, iron content is very less, and oxygen and other hydrogen and water content will be more, so the answer will be bulk earth. In bulk earth, iron, oxygen, silicon, magnesium, then nickel I think will be there, then aluminum will be there. And in crustal composition you can see first will be oxygen, that is 46%, and silicon will be 28%, aluminum will be 83%, and iron will be 56%. So oxygen, silicon, in crustal oxygen will be first, then silicon, silicon, then silicon, then aluminum, and after that iron will come. This is the crustal elemental distribution. This is also important. Next question. Which of the following gastropod genera the silt band is present? So silt band present in option C will be the answer, planar bees. And trigonia, this is the planar bees will be the answer. Next question. Groundwater flow map is also known as option A, isopac map, option B, isocontour map, option C, potentiometric map, and option D, hydraulic map. So what are these type of these maps? Here the answer will be C, that is potentiometric map. And what is isopac map? Isopac map illustrate the thickness of this sediment stratum. So where the iso means similar, where the thickness will be similar, the map showing the similar thickness of stratum is known as isopac map. Isocontour map, the equal contour line, that is equal height. And Potentiometric map is groundwater flow map, means equal amount of groundwater flow. And hydraulic map, hydraulic map also hydraulic map gives the distribution of water on the earth surface. This is the flow of water, groundwater flow map, and this is the distribution of water. This is the difference. So here the answer will be option C, that is potentiometric map. Next question, which is not an ultrapotassic rock? Option A, orangeite. Option B, suevite. Option C, kimberlite. And option D, lamproite. So here the answer will be suevite, because these three these all are ultra potassic, and these are kimberlite group of rocks. And these are famous for diamond diamond occurrence. So suevite is suevite rock is an impact breccia, composed of angular fragments of different rock types, like as a glass inclusions and fine grained matrix. This type of rock was first recognized as the rise impact structure in Germany. Next question, the variety of peridotite in which olivine is altered is to serpentine is pyroxenite. Option B, kimberlite. Option C, dunite. Option D, bronzite. So here the answer will be kimberlite. In kimberlite, at least kimberlite contains 35% olivine and a significant amount of phlogopite, pyroxene, and carbonate, serpentine, diopside, monticelite. So most of the kimberlites contain the olivine that have been altered to serpentine. So the answer will be kimberlite. Next question, the average crustal abundance of uranium is 0.0016%, and while the concentration factor of uranium in Jadugoda mine is 735. Find out the average concentration of the uranium in Jadugoda mine. So this is a small numerical type of question. The formula will be concentration factor is equal to economic concentration, that is suppose we have to find out that is average concentration of uranium in Jadugoda mine. So I am writing average concentration of uranium in Jadugoda divided by given the average concentration, average crustal concentration. So here the answer will be, that concentration factor is given 735 is equal to concentration, average concentration in Jadugoda mine, that is I am writing C, divided by crustal abundance, that is 0.00016. So C will be, we have to multiply this both these, the answer will be 0.11176. the answer will be option C. Next question, dash indicate regions of groundwater recharge and dash associated with groundwater discharge. If we are recharging groundwater in a place, so the groundwater regime will be like this, and if we are drawing, means discharging, like this is a tube well, the groundwater cone will be like this. So the answer will be option B, like convex contour for recharge, convex contour for recharge, and concave for discharge. So option B will be the answer. Next question, X-ray is discovered by option A, Becquerel. Option B, Roentgen. Option C, H.H. Hess. And option D, Stolica. All these are renowned persons. So X-ray is discovered by Roentgen, and This is Becquerel discovered radiometric radiometric minerals. Sorry, radioactivity discovered by Becquerel, and H.H. Hayes given the theory of sea floors fading. This he is a very renowned geologist, and Stolika is a great stratigrapher, and means in most of the part of India he have studied lot of he have given lot of stratigraphic classification. So here the answer will be Roentgen. Next question. Stratovolcano are also known as cinder cones, lava cones, composite cones, and hornidos. So stratovolcano is known as composite cones. As you have seen, stratovolcano is like this, and there are layers. One layer will be pyroclastic material, and one layer will be lava flow. Suppose this is a pyroclastic flow, will be lava flow. This is a stratified type of volcanic cone. So this is also known as composite cone. This is from my side, and thank you. Please subscribe to my channel GeoEdu.